How to fix camera access on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix the camera access on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now when you try to open up Snapchat, let's say it simply says that the permissions has been denied and you're not being able to use the camera application on Snapchat. Well, the process to fix it as well is also really very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and open up settings. Once you open up settings, you want to look for the option called apps. As you go to apps, on the list of these applications, just go ahead and then search for Snapchat. So I'll just go ahead and then search for the Snapchat app. If you don't find Snapchat, you can also use the search box which is at the top right corner in order to find it. Tap on it once while you find it, and once you've done so, scroll down first and go to storage. I would recommend you to clear the cache files just in case. Once you've cleared the cache and temporary junk files that you don't really need, you can come towards the upward direction and you'll find this another section that says permissions. And all you have to do is tap on permissions, and since we're learning to fix the camera access, just tap on the option that says camera. And over here, in order to give Snapchat app the permissions, you just have to select it to allow. If it is set to don't allow or ask every time, Snapchat app will not be able to use the camera on your device. So you want to make sure you have set it to allow, and that would simply and most likely get your job done. In case you're lacking any other permissions while you're trying to video call and so on, you can also go to microphone, turn on those permissions. You can go to location and turn on those permissions as well. And hopefully this video helps solve your problem as to how you can actually give camera access to Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.